In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Microsoft Word edit history. Have you ever needed to track changes or view past revisions in your Microsoft Word documents? Whether you're collaborating with others, revising your work, or simply curious about what changes have been made, accessing the edit history can be crucial. Today, we're going to guide you step by step through the process so you can easily see the evolution of your documents. First off, let's start from the very beginning. You'll need to locate the Windows Start menu. This is usually found at the bottom left corner of your screen. It's represented by the Windows logo. Clicking on this will open a world of applications and settings, but for our purpose, we're focusing solely on accessing Microsoft Word. Next, after you've opened the Start menu, you're going to utilize the search bar. Simply type in Word. As you begin typing, you'll see a list of applications and documents appear. Among those, Microsoft Word will be prominently displayed. If you're familiar with using Word, this might seem like basic knowledge, but it's always good to start from the foundation. Now, click on Microsoft Word from the search results. This action will launch the program and bring you to its welcoming screen. Here you have access to recent documents, templates, and more. From the Microsoft Word home screen or dashboard, your next move is to navigate to the document you wish to view the edit history for. You can either open a recent document from the list provided or search for a specific document by using the Open feature to browse your computer or cloud storage locations. Once your desired document is open, your next step is to click on the File tab located in the upper left corner of the Word interface. This will reveal a sidebar with several options. Look for and select the Info option from this sidebar. Under the Info section, you're going to look for a feature labeled Version History. The Version History option is a powerful tool that allows you to view previous versions of your document. By selecting this, Microsoft Word will display a side panel showcasing various versions of the document that have been saved over time. Clicking on Version History does more than merely showing you dates and times. It provides a snapshot of your document's evolution, letting you review and even revert to previous versions if necessary. This is especially useful for documents that undergo frequent or significant revisions, as it allows you to compare changes, see who made them, and when. Looking at your document's edit history isn't just about tracking changes, it's a way to manage collaboration, ensure accuracy, and maintain a timeline of revisions. This feature is invaluable for writers, project managers, students, and professionals alike, offering insights into the developmental stages of your documents. A few tips to enhance your experience with this feature. Remember that for version history to work, the document must be saved to OneDrive or SharePoint. This is because the version history is stored in the cloud rather than on your local device. Also, if you're working in a collaborative environment, you can see who made specific changes, provided that each collaborator is working with their account signed in. Lastly, it's important to note that accessing the version history is not just a way to track changes, but also a means to ensure the integrity of your document. It allows you to safeguard your work against unintentional modifications or deletions. This walkthrough, starting from locating the Windows Start menu to navigating the version history of a document, is designed to make the process of viewing the edit history in Microsoft Word as straightforward as possible. By following these steps, you'll be able to monitor changes, collaborate efficiently, and maintain a comprehensive record of your document's progress over time. Thank you for joining me today. Whether you're revising a manuscript, collaborating on a project, or simply keeping track of document changes, understanding how to access and use the version history feature in Microsoft Word is an invaluable skill. Happy documenting!